Dear students, see the next question from 9th standard Force and Law of Motion chapter. Here that NCERT example question number 9.3 going to discuss. Okay, it is one interesting question. Okay, generally it is easy to calculate the force if the acceleration is positive. So mass value simply given like a previous question, like a 9.2. Mass value is given, acceleration is given. So mass into acceleration, we can get force. That's all. Okay. But now we are going to discuss negative force. Then negative force. Say for example, let us take one carom coin. Okay, at here. So now we have to apply the force on the coin. Okay, while we apply the force, it will move. Initially, it will move forward direction. Correct or not? Okay, right. But now, let us take one example. You have to apply the brake in your vehicle. Okay, so you know very well. Now you are 9th standard. So most of the students, how to handle the bike, then how to accelerate. Okay, so while you accelerate, acceleration is increasing, the mass is moving with some acceleration, that is the force. Okay, so while you're moving, suddenly some disturbance will come, or while you're moving on the road, suddenly one grandma crossing the road. So what you are doing? Yes, immediately you apply the brake. So that is also force, While you apply that brake, your vehicle gets slow, or otherwise it will be stopped. Correct or not? So that force should be in negative. Okay? So that kind of idea only we are going to discuss in this question. You catch my point? What I am going to discuss? Yes. See that. A motor car. Okay, a motor car, because generally we using the toy car. Okay, so toy car chuma adu. Okay, the local example, that's not efficient force. That's not that much force. So now we are using a motor car is moving with a velocity 108 km/h. ஓகே, இப்போ ஒரு கார் இருக்கு, அது எவ்வளோ வேகத்தில் போகுது? 108 km/h. ஓகே, ரைட். And it takes 4 seconds to stop after the brakes are applied. அப்போ ஒரு பிரேக் பிடிச்சோம்னா என்ன ஆகுது? 4 செகண்ட்ல 1 2 3 4 seconds the car become going to stop. That means what? Final velocity 0. So initial velocity 108 km/h. While we applying the brake, now here the driver applying the brake here. Now the driver applying the brake. அப்போ என்ன ஆகுது? அப்ளை பண்ண காட்டியும் 4 seconds 1 2 3 4. So the car will be going to stop, or the car will be stopped. Okay, அப்படின்னா what about this applied force? Okay, what about here applied force? So that is asking. Shall you find? Okay, right. So you know the formula for force generally. What is the formula? Force is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, see that a motor car is moving with a velocity of 108 km/h and it takes 4 seconds to stop. Okay, a motor vehicle moving with the speed of or velocity of 108 km/h, it's taking 4 seconds to stop when after applying the brake. Okay, so calculate the force exerted by the brakes on the motor car. Okay, so how much force is applied? if its mass along with the passenger is including the passenger, so total mass of the car is what? Total mass of the car is 1000 kilogram. That means real car only. Okay. So the 1000 kilogram car is traveling with the velocity 108 km per hour. While we applying the brake, after 4 seconds it is going to stop. So how much force is applied? You understand the question? Yes. So F is equal to ma. So F is equal to m value what? 1000 kilogram into acceleration. We don't know the acceleration. அப்போ எனக்கு இன்னும் தெரியாது இல்லையா, கண்டுபிடிக்க தெரியல இல்லையா ஆக்சலரேஷன். ஸோ ஆக்சலரேஷன் என்ன பண்ணிக்கிறேன், ஏனே வச்சுக்கிறேன். ஓகேவா? தென் அப்போ என்ன பண்ணணும், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணலாம், யூ ஷுட் ஃபைண்ட் தி ஆக்சலரேஷன். ஹவு டு ஃபைண்ட் தி ஆக்சலரேஷன்? யூ நோ ஆக்சலரேஷன் ஃபார்முலா, change in velocity divided by time. Okay, this is like side steps. Okay, we will approach the problem in different way. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity divided by time. So acceleration is equal to change in velocity. For v means what? Final velocity. Final velocity what? 0. Initial velocity. Initial velocity what? 108 km per hour. But I wrote here 30. Why? Why? ஏன்னா 108 km per hour I converted into meter per second. Shall we convert? Okay, shall I convert? See that. Listen students. See that 108 km per hour I can convert into meter per second. How to convert? This 108 multiplied by 5 by 18. So it is converted as meter per second. So this is 1 time, here 6 time. So 6 into 5, 30. So 30 meter per second. Okay, so I can write this 108 km per hour, or otherwise I can write what? 30 meter per second. So I can write initial velocity, instead of 108 km per hour, I can write 30 meter per second. Okay, therefore acceleration is equal to minus 30 divided by 4. 30 divided by 4. 30 நாலா பிரிங்க, 30 ரெண்டா பிரிச்சா 15. 15 again divided by 2, 7.5. So 7.5 meter per second square. Okay, இப்போ இந்த ஸ்டாப் இது என்ன ஆகுது, going to stop. Going to stop means acceleration is increasing or decreasing? Decreasing. So it is negative acceleration. So A is equal to minus 7.5 meter per second square. Okay, so now we got the acceleration is minus 7.5 meter per second square. So this value we can apply here. Okay, so we apply. So now therefore F is equal to, therefore this equation I can write as F is equal to this 1000 into acceleration. What about acceleration? Minus 7.5. So 1000 into 7.5. 75 வச்சுக்கலாம். 1000 into 75 what? 75,000. Then 1 decimal, here 1 decimal. So this is no need to write. So the remaining what? Minus 7,500. So minus 7,500 force. So 7,500 Newton force is applied by this driver. While applying the force, what happened? That car is going to stop. So this is negative because of negative acceleration. புரிஞ்சுதா? அப்போ பிரேக் பிடிச்சா அந்த ஃபோர்ஸ் என்னது? நெகட்டிவ். If you accelerate the vehicle, அந்த ஃபோர்ஸ் என்னது? That is a positive. The previous question number 9.2 is positive force. This is negative force because of negative acceleration. Okay, clear? You catch my point? So here the negative sign is represent what? The motor vehicle, there is a car going to stop due to the applied brake. Okay. So while we apply the brake, it will be restrict the motion of the object. அதனால தான் இங்கே நெகட்டிவ் சைன் வருது. ஓகே ஓகே ஸ்டூடெண்ட். students, I hope understood this question. Okay, thank you.